Hello friends, so I welcome you all in the discussion and today I will announce the result of All India Free Online Test which was conducted on 19th March, right? तो चलिए मैं आपको बता देता हूँ जैसा मैंने प्रॉमिस भी किया था और इस टेस्ट में मोर देन 150 स्टूडेंट हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड, राइट? सो नाउ सी हु इज़ द फर्स्ट टॉप 10 रैंकर, राइट? उसके बाद भी सारे रैंक आप अपने रिजल्ट भी देख सकते हैं बट द कंडीशन इज सेम since this test is only for 1 hour. So those who have submitted, just see there are many students have just given the exam but they have not timely submitted their question, right? So those who have submitted their test on time only I will announce the result of those, right? So those who have submitted before 8 p.m their result is there, right? So now see one more thing, as I have promised, the first three ranker they will uh, get the free coaching fees, means there is no fee, free means total scholarship of 10,000, right? Now see the rank 4 to 10 they will get 80% fee, right? Only your fee is 2,000, means 80% off of this 10,000, right? So you have to pay only 2,000. Those who have secured rank 11 to 100 they can just get 70% off, means only you have to pay 3,000 rupees, right? So this is the summary. Now see the result, right? So basically just see this is your result. Again I repeat the same thing, only result of those who have submitted between 7 to 8 p.m, right? Because more than 150 students have participated but here those who have submitted before 8 p.m they are only limited, around 64 students have submitted. So I have not rank of the all the student. One more thing, this is the question of the part B, that is the correct answer, means how many questions you have correct. So this is 2, like first example Rajesh Kumar Rana has submitted 2 in part B, correct? And number of part C question which is correct is basically 0 in this case. So part B and part C, these two part, these are the correct number of means correct number of answer, and this one is the correct number of answer of part C, right? Total marks is C. You know, for part B marks is 3, for part C marks is 4.75. So I just only tell you who has the first 10 ranker. Here the result is given. Even you can see one more thing, I will tell you how you can see all your result, right? So just see rank 1 is secured by Summer, right? He has just correct 4 question in part B and 9 question in part C. So he just got 54.75 marks. In the similar way, rank 2 is Pallavi Goyal, right? She has got 51.25. Rank 3 is basically Supriya Samal and she got 48.25. So first 3 ranker, these 3 will get uh, mm, free coaching, right? Now one more thing, here one more student, Kasal Karmur, right? So he also got 48.25 and Supriya also got 48.25, but Supriya has submitted first, right? Here timing is also there, here I have not given, but this is according to the time when the people have submitted, right? So that's why she got rank 3 and his rank is 4, because already I have told you those who submit first and if they got the same marks, first who has submit that rank is first, right? So rank 3 rank 4 is basically secured by Kasal, and rank 5 is secured by Nisa Yadav, right? Rank 6 is secured by Silpi, right? Rank 7 is secured by Ayan. Rank 8 is secured by Rakesh Kumar. Rank 9 is secured by Ganesh Murmu, and last one is Pawan has secured rank 10. So I have only mentioned the top 10 ranker. Now you can see your result. I will tell you the website. I have already uploaded this result also on the website. One more thing, Again I repeat, this is result for those who have submitted before 8 p.m. because many student means more than 70% student have submitted after 8 p.m. so I have not counted their result, right? Now see your how you can download this PDF, right? So you can visit here my website, right? mathematical.rf.gd. The description is the link of this website is also in the description box. Here the third one, result all India free online test, you can also download your result here, right? So one more thing, those who have secured the rank, right, here you can click and get your result. Those who have secured the rank as I have promised from 1 to 3 ranker, 4 to 10 ranker, right, and above ranker, right? So all those who have secured rank above 10 means 11 12 like this, they can also contact to me. There has a offer for them also, as I told you, right? So this is the summary of the result. If you have any queries, you can also contact me at the given mobile number, right? So thank you for watching this video.